A cyclic model is any of several cosmological models in which the universe follows an infinite self-sustaining cycle. Evidence: all particles in the early universe would have been governed by the laws of quantum mechanics. For instance, this would have allowed atoms to exist and not have electrons lose energy as they traveled around the nucleus. Without this, the electrons would collapse in on themselves. But in the beginning of the universe, all particles would have been governed by these laws. This would stop the universe from totally collapsing in on itself during the Big Crunch. The Big Crunch. This theory states that the universe will not continue to expand indefinitely. In this theory, the universe will reach a point where it stops expanding. When it reaches this point, it will slowly start to collapse in on itself. As it collapses, it will pick up speed. It will also get brighter and hotter as it gets closer to complete total collapse. When the universe gets to the point where it is so small it can no longer collapse, it will bounce into expansion. The Steenhardt-Turok model. Paul Steenhardt and Neil Turok made this model in 2001. This model states that a universe exploding into existence has not just happened once, but repeatedly over time. The Baum-Frampton model. This model was created by Loris Baum and Paul Frampton in 2007. This model states that a different technical concerning the equation of the state of dark energy, which relates to pressure and density through a parameter. The universe will start with a bounce as a previous universe collapses in on itself. This pattern of bounce and collapse is what is at the core of the oscillating universe theory. The main problem with this theory is the second law of thermodynamics, which states that as energy is transferred or transformed, more and more of it is wasted. It also states that there is a natural tendency of any isolated system to generate in a more and more disordered state. This law hurts the theory, because with it the universe would continue to expand until heat death, which is when the universe grows so cold that no life can exist. The only thing that could possibly save this theory is dark energy, due to its mysterious nature and ability to seemingly counteract gravity. It is thought that this could possibly get around that pesky law of thermodynamics and possibly prove this theory correct, but until then we can only guess to how the universe started.